Let's talk about binomial probability distribution. Binomial distribution can be thought of as simply the probability of success or failure outcome in an experiment that is repeated multiple times. So here is a chance of two possible outcomes in binomial probability distribution. Those are success or failure. So let's go to some properties of binomial probability distribution. First one is the experiment consists of the sequence of n identical trials. So the number of trials here are always fixed, that is n. As we have already discussed, each trial can result in just two possible outcomes. One of these outcome can be success and another one can be failure. So each observation or trial is independent. The probability of success is exactly the same from the probability of success of another trial. That means the probability of success in second trial doesn't depend on the success probability of the first trial. Fourth one is the probability of success is denoted by P and the probability of failure is denoted by 1 minus P. Let's take one example. You flip a coin 2 times and count the number of times the coin lands on heads. So this is a binomial probability experiment. The experiment consists of repeated trials. We flip a coin 2 times. Each trial can result in just two possible outcomes, that is head and tail. So the probability of success means we are considering head only. So probability of success will be 0.5 and probability of failure will be 0.5. The trial are independent, that is getting head on one trial doesn't affect whether we get head on another trial. So this is binomial probability distribution. Let's take the formula of binomial probability distribution. The formula is denoted as Fx, the probability distribution, is equal to NCx into P of x, P power x, into 1 minus P whole power n minus x. So what is the symbol denoted here? X denote number of success, n denote total number of trials, P denote the probability of success on one trial. So what is 1 minus P? 1 minus P is the probability of failure. Let's take one example, the same example of tossing a coin in a better manner. A coin tossed 10 times, what is the probability of getting exactly 6 heads? So what is the total number of trial here? That is 10. What is the number of success over here? 6. So for each trial of tossing a coin, probability of getting head is 50% and probability of getting tail is 50%. So here heads is the success. So probability of success is 0.5. So let's convert the probability function into distribution. So 10cx, ncx, so n here is 10 and x is 6, so 10cx p power x. So p is here 0.5 whole power x, 6 and 1 minus p. So 1 minus p means failure. Probability of getting tail is the failure. So 0.5 whole power n minus x. So 10 minus 6. So the answer here is 0.205. So the probability of getting exactly 6 heads by tossing a coin 10 times is 0.205. Thank you.